Hi friend, this is Physiogears mini muscle stimulator, and today we are showing a demo video of this device, how you can use this device. So first we start the device. This is channel 1 and channel 2. And there are 4 modes, that is galvanic and faradic and PLN and INT. In galvanic you can get the sensation in breakage of 1 second duration, and in faradic you will get the continuous sensation from the device. So we start the device. This is for channel 1, 2 wires for channel 1, and this is 2 wires for channel 2. We already connected the wire from here and attach the pad like this. For checking purpose, hold the pad like this. Hold the pad like this, opposite to each other, and hold the pad on your hand like, and start channel 1. You can see the indicator is blinking here in galvanic mode. Below is PLN, and make it for faradic. You can see the indicator is continue. I am getting the sensation from the device. Channel 1 is working properly. Similarly, you can check this channel also, channel 2, by this knob. And when you take the therapy, you can put the pad on your hand or the arm like this, and wrap both the pad through this velcro. Before placing the pad, you can drop one drop of gel on both the pad and place the pad like this. Or if you take the therapy on your knees and arm, then you can place the pad opposite to each other like this, and wrap the pad through this velcro, and take the therapy for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, and same session in the evening also. And for first 5 minutes you can take galvanic therapy, and after 5 minutes you can put it on faradic. This is a very useful device for home purpose and home visit purpose also, and personal use also. So if you have any query, any issue, then you can call us directly. The demo is completed. Thank you.